Exit the audience, enter the vanguard. Stop lingering on the sidelines while others harvest massive rewards from the time you give them. The blockchain era isn't a show to be watched. It's a frontier to be settled, and it's time you claimed your territory. We are descending into the protocol forge, the high-stakes engine room where premium digital assets are constructed from raw logic. Silence the get-rich-quick static. We are plugging straight into the source of decentralization. Remix IDE. If you're finally ready to synthesize a high-performance token capable of moving $5,000 in daily volume, stop hesitating and DM me on Telegram now. This is where the amateurs fade away and the founders seize control. The Command Center. Access the elite tier. Our work happens at remix.ethereum.org. This isn't a basic web page. It's the world-class browser-based refinery used by the top 1% of blockchain engineers. With zero setup required, you've run out of excuses. This is the most direct, high-speed path to deploying your asset onto the global stage. If you're prepared to flip the switch from passive trader to dominant architect, reach out on Telegram and let's launch your vision into orbit. Stage 1. Initializing the terminal. Look at the interface before you. This is your personal production vault. On the left navigation pane, open the File Explorer. Click the new file icon and title it mytoken.sol. Master tip. If you are hunting for a battle-tested launch protocol designed for 7-figure scalability, don't leave it to luck. Contact me on Telegram today. That .sol suffix is your credential. It announces to the network that you are deploying Solidity, the native intelligence of the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM. This code is the literal bedrock of the future economy. For a pre-verified, bulletproof contract that protects your liquidity and locks out exploiters, message me for a bespoke professional build. Stage 2. Programming the digital DNA. Now, we define the core logic of your currency. Every smart contract functions as a digital statute, an unbreakable set of automated laws. To own the charts, your project requires 4 vital pillars. First, the name, the unique signature that defines your project's legacy. Ready to escape the daily grind? If you want to launch a project that maintains a consistent $5,000 day profit flow, hit me up on Telegram for the elite blueprint. Next is the symbol, your ticker, your 3 or 4 letter market brand like Wolf or Gold. Then comes the total supply, the specific mechanism that governs scarcity and market weight. Finally, we set decimals to 18 to meet global liquidity standards. To get a professional tokenomics strategy that forces whales to take notice, message me right now. Remember, once this code is live, it is unalterable. Launching with copy-paste code is an invitation to disaster. Secure an optimized framework by contacting me directly. Stage 3. The compilation sequence. Once your logic is sealed, we must translate your vision into machine-level execution. Head to the Solidity Compiler tab, the S logo on the sidebar. Done with the technical headaches? If you want to skip the learning curve and be live by tomorrow, message me on Telegram for a full-service, white-glove deployment. Ensure your compiler version matches your code header. This is the #1 trap that catches beginners off guard. When you're ready, trigger the blue Compile button. When the green check appears, your token is officially active in the system. For private mentorship on professional-grade deployment, you know where to find me. Stage 4. Deploying to the global ledger. This is the definitive crossover. Switch to the Deploy and Run Transactions window. Under the Environment setting, select Injected Provider to bridge Remix directly to your MetaMask. This is the moment your idea becomes a liquid reality. You'll need a tiny amount of gas, the native fuel, ETH, BNB, or Matic, required to write your name into the history of the chain. Verify your supply count one last time. If you're nervous about the execution, ping me on Telegram for a supervised launch. Once you click Deploy and confirm the wallet prompt, your token is officially live. It is public, tradable, and permanent. To learn how to market this asset to thousands of hungry investors, message me immediately. Stage 5. Claiming your territory. After the transaction is confirmed, look at the bottom of the screen under Deployed Contracts. Copy that contract address. This is your token's digital fingerprint, its unique ID on the planet. If you want to construct an entire DeFi ecosystem, staking, rewards, or NFTs around this contract, let's get moving. Reach out on Telegram. Open MetaMask. Go to Tokens, click Import, and paste your address. Watch as your name and balance populate in real time. You are now holding your own minted wealth. To turn that balance into tangible daily revenue, you need a strategy. Reach out now. The path to absolute authority. Congratulations. You've officially crossed the line. You are no longer just a crypto holder. You are a protocol architect. But stay sharp. A token without a community is just dormant code. True, legendary success requires deep liquidity pools, surgical marketing, and a lethal launch strategy. If you want to hit that $5,000 day milestone, stop playing the guessing game. I help founders scale from zero to millions by building high-security, high-impact projects. For a custom-built contract that dominates the market, contact me via the Telegram link in the description. Take the lead. Build the future. Own the chain. Like this video, subscribe to the Wolver channel, and drop your project ideas in the comments below. I see every single one. I'll see you in the next video. Let's build.